Yo, how's it going, man? So, this is my man, Jerome. Jerome is funny as hell. He's a gay thug. But he's not really gay because he's optimistic, you know what I'm saying? You'll get what I'm saying. Watch this.
Domination, I was telling these niggas how when I just got out of the prison, but when I went to prison, the PS2 was big. And now all of a sudden they got these Xbox 5000 and 55,699.
Wait, how long were you in prison for?
Damn, shit, look. Alright, probably from 1995 to 2016.
Wow.
Let me see. I got out of this year, 2016. And I'm still on parole. And my boyfriend's still stuck in there, man. God bless his heart. Hope he get out. I remember in the prison showers, dog, we used to rub each other down with some dial soap. Nigga, pull down my booty, make that shit squeaky clean.
Did you do anything else in there? I mean...
Yeah, shit was crazy up in the prison showers. Like, one time this nigga came out, right? It was like, food fight, threw a bagel on my head, man. I beat this nigga's ass and sucked his dick from the back so hard, man. You don't do that shit to me. Yeah, I sucked that nigga's dick. That's how you show dominance and shit. It's 10 times worse. Watch. Imagine, right? You walking down the street, right? And your cute ass got some Uggs on, right? Nigga want to steal your Uggs, you know, because Uggs are delicious. But anyway, right, nigga come out, smack you in the face, you get knocked out. What's the worst thing that can happen after that? Nigga sucks your dick. You like, what the hell? You know, wake up, nigga sucking your dick.
Tell Ober about your boyfriend.
Okay, I'll tell her about him. Yo, Ober, this nigga's like 6'3", you know. He's good at basketball, football, baseball. He's really athletic. You know what I'm saying? He got a really good muscle build. He can bench like 500 pounds. Don't get me started about this nigga's dick.
Woo!
This nigga's dick is so big. This nigga's dick is bigger than my future. Let me tell you that. Yeah, he's a cool ass dude. Y'all gonna get to know him. His name's Harry. I hope everything goes well. I would hate to lose him, you know what I'm saying? He's a really good influence in my life. He got me back. I'm reading books again, my nigga. I just read motherfucker Where's Waldo. That's a great book. Y'all know that? That's a good ass book.
Where's Waldo?
Yeah, that's the biggest mystery in the world. But everybody be like, yo, what's the Da Vinci Code on that shit? Illuminati? I'm like, nigga, where's Waldo? Let's find that nigga, bring him home. Come on. What's Obama gonna do about it? Obama ain't trying to find that nigga. You know what I'm saying? Let's find the nigga. He's been gone a long time.
Oh, wait. How do you feel about Trump? Since he's president now, how do you feel about that?
I mean, he's gotta do what he gotta do. There's gonna be people that like him, people that don't like him, people think he's real cute, people that like his personality, people that wanna... What?
I haven't heard no one call him cute.
Yeah. Brett, do you think he's cute?
He alright, you know what I'm saying? Nigga, nice wig. You know, I wish he grew a little bit thicker here. But, no, people only look at the political views and shit, dog. I'm not looking at the political views and shit. Like, if the nigga's liberal, fucking Republican, elephant, you know, I'm looking at this nigga, if he's cute or not, you know what I'm saying? Got good personality. I'm gonna vote for him, that nigga. That's why I voted for Obama. That nigga was looking good in a suit. And I heard he got a big ass penis. I'll tell you about it one time I got in a fight. Oh my God. All right, I don't know if I ever tell y'all, but I went to prison with that nigga Jackie Chan, right? And we were just chilling. Right? He looked at me weird. I'm like, yo, why is this nigga looking at me? So I looked over there. I looked at him, dog, gave him this big ass stare with my big ass eagle eyeballs. I was like looking at him, gazing at him. Nigga looked at me and said, what? Started trying to beat my ass. Trying to do some karate shit. Nigga started bouncing over me. I was like, hell no, dog. I've been watching all your movies and shit, dog. So I know his coordinates. And then I beat his ass, and I sucked his dick. So that nigga don't mess with me no more. Goddamn, nigga, get your ass over to my roommate over here sticking his dick in the microwave. Nigga, get your dick.
Dude, why? I never get to stick my dick in the fucking microwave. Fuck this shit.
I found this nigga off Craigslist. I didn't know he was sticking his dick in the microwave and shit, dog. See why they kicked him out. But we an open relationship means that, you know, we can date other people and do other things with other people. Just the people aren't really people. You know, they're aliens.
They're from Mars or something?
I never dated a nigga from Mars, but I dated this one nigga from New Man's Sky. The last relationship, I hooked up with this nigga, and he was from Pluto. I used to get a little frisky, get drunk. I found my spaceship and have sex with that nigga Invader Zim. All right, y'all, but I'm about to bounce out of here. Domination, nigga just sneezed, say LOL, smiley face, get online.
I love this dude. This dude is probably the funniest guy I've ever seen. Oh my God. We're gonna watch some more of these, man. These are good. These are really good. All right, everybody. As always, thank you for watching, and I love y'all.